How's it going, YouTube? Just wanted to show y'all a little repair I did with this kdLinks dash camera. I replaced the battery on this one. Most of these clips were corrupted because when this camera shuts down, there's not enough juice to properly finish the recording, and therefore you get a file corruption. And this was pretty much filling up the whole flash drive until you can't record anything else. So this is a solution. You pretty much buy one of these little batteries. If you take this thing apart, you'll figure out what kind of battery it is and how much amps it holds. This is a very small amount here, 120 milliamps. So after you replace this, I don't know, it might last another year, hoping. Anyways, I just solder this in, and let's give it a go. There's a red blinking light at the bottom right corner showing that the device is recording. So there it is. Hopefully this will last for another year. Anyways, seems like very easy DIY that you can do. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think.